In 2005, Steve Jobs told Stanford graduates to follow their passion.
And the only way to do great work is to love what you do.
It was great advice back then, but is it today? It sure is. Famed economist Dr. Larry Smith says pursuing your passion is more important today than ever, especially as artificial intelligence threatens to eliminate routine jobs in nearly every category.
As the future unfolds, now the evidence should be clear to anybody who has half a brain in their head that routine work is going to be done by the machines.
Passion is an essential part of the successful career formula because only people with a true passion, a calling, will be motivated to solve problems in their chosen fields. Passion then leads to the second part of the formula, creative problem solving. Generative AI can analyze and aggregate information faster than any human possibly can, but it takes human imagination to add to that existing information to create new and novel ideas. Let's turn back to Steve Jobs. Jobs did not start Apple to make another computer company. That tool, the computer, already existed. Jobs was passionate about solving a problem, how to make tools like computers more accessible and user-friendly. So those are the first two parts of a successful career formula, passion and problem solving. But they're not enough. The third element is critical, public speaking.
What good is it for you to find a better tool when you are so inarticulate you can't explain the tool to anybody else?
Innovators have an obligation to market their ideas. You can have the greatest idea in the world, completely new, novel, different. But if you cannot convince enough other people to join you, you will not be nearly as successful. So learn effective and powerful communication, public speaking, and presentation techniques to stand out and get ahead. Passion, problem solving, and public speaking. 3 human skills guaranteed to always be in demand.